What if you only needed one watch? For running, the gym, the office, and even formal occasions? Today, we're taking a look at the Garmin Venu 4, a watch that might actually do it all. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Garmin Venu 4, showing you different band and case combinations, and sharing why this might be the only watch you'll ever need. I specifically chose the silver version of this watch, and I'll explain why later when we start switching bands and cases. Right out of the box, you can already tell the watch looks clean and premium. The silver finish especially gives it that classy, high-end look. Holding it for the first time, it feels solid, but not too heavy. The design is minimal, and that's what makes it so versatile. The AMOLED display immediately stands out, bright, sharp, and very smooth. This is one of those screens that just looks good in any lighting condition. I tested this watch on runs, and performance is solid. GPS locks in fast and tracks accurately. During my runs, the distance tracking felt very consistent, and after the run, you actually get useful data, not just numbers, but something you can actually use to improve your training. In the gym, this watch is a really nice companion. It tracks workouts, helps monitor performance, and gives useful data. I also paid attention to how accurate the tracking feels during different exercises. For example, during weight training, the heart rate doesn't spike randomly, it stays realistic based on your effort. And with regarding to your reps, it's as close as it can be. You may have error here and there, but not that much. On each set, I can easily keep track of my rest periods, so that I won't stay idle for a long time. It also comes with a full set of health tracking features: heart rate, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and blood oxygen tracking. On the smart side, you can receive notifications, control your music, and stay connected without always checking your phone. Battery life is another strong point. You can go several days on a single charge, which is great, especially if you're always active. Based on my experience, as my activity is, with a daily 30-minute run and an hour of gym workout, it can last me up to 5 to 6 days, depends on how active I am on each day. Now, what's new with the Venu 4 compared to the previous version? You now get features like LED flashlight, super useful, especially at night or in emergencies. Morning reports, giving you a quick summary of your sleep and recovery. Night reports, helping you track how your body is preparing for rest. Improved health and recovery tracking. These small additions actually make a big difference in everyday use. This is exactly why I chose the silver version. With silver, you can easily put on a black case and make it look like a black watch, and it still looks clean and premium. But if you start with a black version, it becomes harder to make it look as versatile or to achieve a lighter, more premium look with different case and band combinations. The silver just gives you more flexibility overall, and in my opinion, it has a more premium and timeless look. Alright, so this is where things start to get really interesting. I'm going to start switching the bands and adding a black case so you can actually see how this watch transforms depending on the setup. You'll notice how much the look changes just by swapping the band or adding a case, and that's the main point of this part of the video. The silver base really gives you that clean foundation, and from there, you can style it however you want, depending on your mood, outfit, or occasion. So take a good look at each setup, compare them, and decide for yourself which one fits your style best. That is why for me, this one is the perfect watch that I can call a premium lifestyle watch. One that can keep track with an active lifestyle and fits in all occasions. I hope this video helped you see the differences clearly and made it easier for you to decide which color you want to choose. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, kindly give it a like. And if you're feeling generous, a subscribe would really help a lot. Thank you for watching.